we are bringing our new product, semi-automatic machine production line. The assembly is very easy. You can assemble it anywhere. Only 4 bolts you have to tighten it up in any table you have. We have given squeegees which you can lift it up and lift it down, and we are also giving adjustment in the frame holder of the machine. You can adjust it in up and down way, and all the parts are powder coated, so you won't get any rusting. We are giving a foot pedal. You can use the foot pedal to up and down the upper head of the machine, and there is a toggle switch where you can move your squeegees by doing up and down the squeegee. So one squeegee will help you as a printing squeegee, and one squeegee will help you as a flooding squeegee. So this will help you to do the squeezing of the machine.